This is the blink pan tilt mount. This is a 360-degree room coverage at your fingertips, or that's what it says on the box. Because all of the previous generations of blinks did not have the rotation that we so look for, especially in a nanny cam. So this is the blink camera. Traditionally, they were stationary. You can adjust what it pointed at, but you could not adjust it inside of the device. So this is going to be moving around. It's also going to be tilting, and it's just an addition to your Blink Mini camera. Now, the Blink Mini camera, whatever you might think about it, is just an extension of the pan tilt mount. So let's open up the pan tilt mount and let's see what we get inside. And this is going to be coming with the 360-degree view. You get the motion detection sensor inside. So you get real-time motion detection alerts on your smartphone so you can read and engage from anywhere, and it works with your Blink Mini. Setup is designed to take minutes, because if your Blink Mini is set up, well, then you just connect to this and then you connect and then you'll be all set because the camera is already set up. And here is a Blink Mini camera. That's what it looks like. Remember, the Blink Mini is not battery powered. You're going to be required to plug it in. Inside of the pan tilt mount, let's unbox it here. And this is what it looks like inside the box. This is the unit, and this is what it looks like. This is where your charging port is. Again, micro USB. The bottom is a heavy base, so this is a heavy base. And the top, you can adjust it from left all the way to right, which is sensational. So this is one thing that the Blink Pan Tilt is different from other pan tilt cameras. It's going to be able to go all the way to the other side. It's going to have 360-degree turning. So it's at the edge right here. This is at the edge right here. So if I turn this, it goes 360, but that's where it stops. And then if you're on the other side, you can just switch to the other side of the room. How do you set this up? Well, that's going to be straightforward. Download the Blink Home Monitor app and create a Blink account. In the Blink app, select Add Devices. Select Pan Tilt Mount and follow detailed instructions in the app. You take your camera now, and then you're going to be inserting it into this part. So you want to make sure that your front camera is going to be facing where the blink is. Here, that's the orientation. So the power plug is going into the pan tilt mount, and we'll be charging your camera through this cable here. So just still one plug. First thing you want to do is plug it in first. We're going to plug it in first. It just goes in effortlessly. And just going to pop it in. Boom. Now your camera is all set to go. This is what it looks like. This is the overhead view. So I can even connect this to a tripod. You can mount it on the tripod. It looks very good on the tripod, but most likely you're going to be mounting it on the wall, or you're going to be placing it on a table. And that is the menu inside of the Blink app. You can go all the way to the left, all the way to the right, and you can go up and down. The UI is very simple. It just really is a control manual for your device. And if you want to set it up, this is what you want to see. You want to see this, that the pan tilt mount was connected to your camera. Once you're set up, you'll notice that it is really easy to utilize, and you have a lot of possibilities now, because not just because of 360, but because you can go up and down. And I don't know if people realize how important that is, but being able to go down so much and being able to go up so much is great for nurseries, is great for bedrooms, is great to do pet monitoring. It's also great if you're on vacation, because you might be stuck, or your camera might be stuck behind something where you can't see in front of it, and now you can suddenly go around it. The quality of your cam is going to be the same regardless. Also, it's going to have the motion detection from your camera. So basically, this is a motorized pan and tilt, and it's in line with some of the other pan and tilts that I just want to share with you. This is the TP-Link. This design is very popular right now in terms of pan and tilt. Anytime it detects motion, it's going to give you a notification on tilts. We'll give you the Wyze. This is the Wyze version 3. You have 3 different designs. Which one's the best? There is no best, but this is what the limitation on your cameras that are shaped this way. The camera can only go this high. On your camera shaped this way, the camera can only go this high. They both will be able to go 360 though. However, these two are going to be able to store their data locally onto micro SD cards. The Blink, because you're using the Blink Mini, will not be able to. You got to store it onto the sync module that you see here. So let's put this in a bedroom and let's see how this works inside of my baby's nursery. So let's look at some test footage of using the Blink Pan and Tilt along with the Blink Mini. This is my baby's room, and I have a cam right off of the bookcase that we use, and that's a pan and tilt as well. But the reason why we have to place it there is that there was no place to place it on our table and still have a view of the baby. But now with the pan and tilt, I can see the baby very clearly, and then I can monitor him when he's playing in front of the bookcase or if he's on the floor, because even on the floor, you'll see that it does a great job picking up a lot of area that you normally would not have access to. In conclusion, it just makes your Blink camera that you might have around your house, the Blink Mini, much more usable. So it can extend the lifespan of your device. It does a great job monitoring your home and having that remote. It is easy to use. So finally, Blink has a pan and tilt, and it's better than expected. So thanks for watching, everyone. This is David with The French Glow, signing off. Bye, bye, bye.